In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize your email marketing strategy to ensure that your messages effectively reach your audience without getting flagged as spam. Let's dive into some essential practices that will help you maintain a good reputation and enhance your email deliverability. First and foremost, it's crucial to use clean, permission-based email lists. This means only sending emails to recipients who have explicitly agreed to receive communication from you. Acquiring permission not only respects your audience's preferences, but also significantly reduces the risk of being marked as spam. Therefore, always ensure that your email lists are compiled from subscribers who have opted in, whether through a sign-up form on your website or other legitimate means of acquiring emails. Now, when it comes to crafting your email subject lines, it's important to avoid spammy words and excessive punctuation. Overuse of exclamation marks or words like free, win, or urgent can often trigger spam filters, where your email might land in the junk folder instead of the inbox. Therefore, strive to keep your subject lines clear, concise, and direct. This not only helps avoid spam traps, but also conveys professionalism and increases the likelihood of the recipient opening your email. Personalization is another key element in effective email marketing. Using merge tags to include the recipient's name or specific preferences can make your emails more engaging. Personalized emails show your audience that you care about them as individuals, which can increase open rates and foster a stronger connection with your brand. Whether you're addressing the recipient by name or referencing their specific interests, these small touches can lead to significant engagement improvements. Moreover, every email you send must contain a clear unsubscribe link. This gives recipients an easy way out if they choose not to receive further communication from you. While it might seem counterproductive to offer an escape route, it actually builds trust and shows respect for your recipient's preferences. Plus, it ensures compliance with legal regulations like the Can-Spam Act. Keeping your lists filled with interested subscribers is far more valuable than bloated ones filled with uninterested recipients. Testing your email with spam check tools before sending is a smart strategy to prevent deliverability issues. These tools evaluate your email for elements that might trigger spam filters, allowing you to make necessary adjustments before the email is dispatched. By doing this, you can catch potential issues early and ensure your emails are best positioned to